Welcome to the PV module installation tutorial. We should bear in mind these three crucial points during the unloading process: prior preparation, vehicle inspection, and careful handling. In the preparation phase, we should firstly familiarize with the dimensions and weight of both the vehicle and the PV modules. Then, we should ensure that the unloading area is even and solid. When inspecting the vehicle, two things should be ensured. First, the stability of the vehicle should be verified. And second, the PV modules on board should be securely fastened. Once everything is confirmed to be in order, only then should operators with the appropriate qualifications and experience proceed to use specialized equipment such as forklifts or cranes. With preparations in place, you may proceed to unpack the PV modules. Ensure that the unpacking environment is clean and dry. We begin by removing the side panels and setting them aside. The unpacking tools should be prepared in advance. Upon opening the boxes, we promptly inspect whether the PV modules are securely packaged and verify the count of components. Should you come across any damage, report it immediately. Additionally, all documents attached to the packaging should be kept carefully. When removing the PV modules from the box, each module must be taken out vertically by two people simultaneously. During transportation, two workers should carry the module together, holding the frame with both hands. We should avoid pressing directly on the solar cells to prevent micro cracks in the PV module. There are two methods for installing PV modules. The first method is clamp installation. We start by placing the outer PV module in position, then adjusting it according to the design plan. Then we thread the bolts through the clamps and brackets, with washers in place, then secure the washers and nuts in sequence, and tighten the bolts. Once the outer PV module is secured, we need to place the second module. After adjusting its position, a middle clamp is used to press both the right frame of the first module and the left frame of the second module simultaneously. The second method is using mounting holes. The installation steps are similar to the clamp installation method, but without using clamps. Instead, we fix the module to the mounting bracket by using bolts through the mounting holes on the back frame of the module. During installation, we should not hit, sit on, step on, or kneel on the PV modules. Next, we move on to the electrical connection process. We should connect the positive and negative connectors of the modules one by one according to the electrical design requirement. When you hear a click sound, it indicates that the connectors are properly inserted. Electrical inspection is also necessary for the series connection of modules. We need to confirm that the series polarity is correct, the open circuit voltage meets the requirements, and the module frames are reliably grounded to prevent incidents such as lightning strikes. We need to ensure safety. Do you get it?